Hi friends, happy Friday. Let me show you something cool that really helps you profit during tricky markets like we're seeing right now. This is our positive flow versus negative flow window, and I can design it pretty much any way I want. But what I've done here is I'm seeing stocks that are trading 50% above normal at the time of day that an event takes place that's called positive or negative. And again, it can be a new high, a new low, new 30-minute high, new 30-minute low. And as you can see, the alerts per second are starting to pick up on the positive side and the negative side are dropping. They've been kind of trending high all day, but over here, they've fallen and are now quite a bit below the negative. So what that means is as we approach the final hour, you just might have a little bit more follow through to the upside. And that's the trade ideas advantage, seeing data like this. And here you can see which stocks made the moves. Hope you enjoy it.